Hello everyone, my dear friends. You can see behind me how excited our young minds and the teachers of SHRI Government Primary School teachers. Preparations for the 54th Teachers' Day celebrations are in full swing here in our school, from arranging flowers to putting up color decorations. Every step is filled with love, respect, and excitement. Students and teachers are working together with joyful hearts to create a simple yet beautiful atmosphere. This celebration is not just about decorations, but about honoring the guiding lights who set our lives with knowledge, patience, and wisdom. So, simple living and high thinking, let us celebrate with full of simplicity. Thank you, everyone.